This cosmetic case was sent to me to check out, and not only has it become especially important for travel, but it also makes everyday makeup application easier because it keeps everything organized and the light is just perfect. Taking a closer look at unboxing the cosmetic case here. The case comes really nicely packaged and even includes a dust bag as seen here, so this would really make a perfect gift. I got this case in pink and it also comes in black, gold, or white. The case is hard-sided, waterproof, and really durable. There is so much storage inside and compartments to keep everything organized. Here is the USB charger. And it even comes with a little travel kit with these little bottles to fill. Shown here, it comes with 4 different kinds of travel bottles. These are so convenient and they're just the perfect size. They're easy to fill, they're durable. It even comes with a little spatula to fill those. As demonstrated there, the inside is hard-sided as well. And here on the sides are elastics, perfect to hold makeup brushes. This case really keeps everything organized and nice and neat. Has a little handle too. The light here is usable while it is charging. There's an indicator light there. And as demonstrated here, there are 3 different light modes, perfect for all occasions. Overall, this cosmetic case is essential for both travel and everyday use. It keeps everything organized, and the light makes everything so much easier.